A wild giant panda has been caught on camera, gnawing on a piece of bone of a dead tarkine, at the Foping National Nature Reserve in northwest China's Shaanxi province. Ranger Li Shuiping and his teammates took the video, while counting the number of giant pandas in a field survey.
我们悄悄从石头后边绕过去看，发现真的是一只大熊猫，它离我们只有50米远，我们清清楚楚地看着，它左手拿着一只羚牛骨头，正津津有味地啃着。我们大概看了10分钟左右，它发现了我们，就丢下骨头，慢慢地走了。
It's the second time that a giant panda has been filmed eating meat in this area. Originally carnivore, giant panda was forced to change its diet to bamboo to adapt to the changing climate and habitat. However, experts say that its digestive system still retains the traits of a carnivore, just like their ancestors.
在秦岭、岷山、邛崃山都有野外研究曾经记录到大熊猫偶尔会打牙祭，主要是取食野生动物的残骸。这样的行为对于野生大熊猫来说有什么样的作用和意义，还需要我们进一步的深入研究，然后来探究。